In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your iPhone screen that is not rotating. So just to show you a really quick example of the issue you may be encountering, I'll just go into my browser. Now, say for example, I wanted to read or watch this thing in landscape. The iPhone just simply won't rotate no matter what I do. So this is incredibly frustrating, but luckily there's a very easy fix you can do, and that's just going to your control center by pulling down on the top right hand corner. And then if you have this lock here with the arrow around it highlighted in red, that means that you've got automatically rotate turned off. So if I want to disable that, I can tap on that, turn it off. Now if I go back to my same browser, now if I turn the screen, as you can see, it now rotates with whatever I do on the iPhone. So there you have it, guys. Really nice quick fix on how to fix the rotating issue on the iPhone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.